Here is another tree which has a very, that's a Vitex trifolia, and it has a very thick trunk. But then I did not make it into a tree. I planted it to become a rough forest, so growing in that large trunk. See? Okay. And then I try to make it into a forest. So I grow all the branches up like this one, here. So the rest are all growing up, and eventually I will create branches there, and this will create a raft. I haven't done a video yet, and although now it seems that it is not a good time to video it, but then just to make a documentary, so that eventually in the future I will make a better I will make a video wherein I will be trimming this back, cutting this back hard, and will be starting to form branches. Okay, so this the other view of the side view of the plant. So I'll try to focus on the trunk. So actually, this is the trunk. This is collected material. Okay, then these are the branches. These are the branches. These are the branches which I wired to grow up, so to become a forest. So although this has a long way to go yet, because you have to train every tree like this to grow, to become like a tree. So I still have to thicken some. I have to make sacrifice branches which will be growing up tall to further thicken this, and then that's the time I will create branches for them, wire the branches, and really make them look like trees. And so you have many trunks there. I mean the tree, so it's more than 10. Okay, this. Okay, here is another view. Okay, so I think the branches are clearer here. So those are the branches. Okay. So there's the very large trunk, and then the branches growing on them. They all wired up, but now I have already removed the wire, but this is a long way to go. There's a long way to go, and okay, now I'd like to show one young trunk which I still have just wired. So if you can see there, this is the last one of the young trunks which I have wired going up. It's all going up, and then hopefully this will thicken like and catch up like the rest. Okay, and then these young shoots here will become their branches. Now here is another view. Okay, this is a long way because I still have to thicken the trunk to about 2/3 of its existing size. So about an inch. I'd like to target 2/3 to 1 inch thickness of trunks, and then I will develop their branches, and I will sort of to train them individually. And again, a possible question is that how do you thicken the trunks? Again, by creating new leaders in that top of each branches, and grow them as sacrifice branches. Wire them straight up and let them just grow straight up for about a meter or two, and sometimes you have to stake them with bamboo sticks just to keep them in that position. And so that's the plan for this, and hopefully it can become a very nice rough forest of a Vitex trifolia species. So this is a very popular species here in Mindanao, southern part of the Philippines. And so I hope I can attain that. So although I made some many forest planting already and a rough planting, this is the first time that I am going to make it from a large material, and this will serve as a cliff, a slope. See, if you notice the trunk there, it's like the trees are growing in a slope. So again, I'm in my sort of a hunting area garden, and this is where I plant my undeveloped trees yet. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.